Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. How are you doing your revision part? I hope everyone is doing your revision. Yes, children? Because exams are very near to us. Yes? Now, what you have done yesterday? We have completed our grammar part, vocabulary part, and formal writing in our workbooks. Yes, children? And I said to read the textbook part also. I hope everyone are reading the textbook part. Okay, after completing this, I will tell you about textbook part also. Okay, children. See here, what is there here? Creative writing. What is there in the first module? One, creative writing. Everyone open your workbooks and see page number 12. See, by this picture, you should describe this picture and write a paragraph. Okay, children. By seeing the picture, what you can understand, who are there in the picture, how they are, what feelings they are having, that all you can write. Understood, children? See, she looks. First, we are going to write here. Look at the photograph and think of at least 6 points about the woman in the picture. And ask yourself question like, how does she look? How is she feeling? What is she doing? And so on. Write down your observation as points in the space given. And you can use these points to complete the paragraph. See, they have given the space. By these we can write how she looks. Yes, children. And complete the paragraph. See, she looks like she has a short hair. She has a grey hair. She is wearing glasses. She is smiling at the boy. She is wearing a sari and pearls necklace. She is old. I think as a person she is happy, loving, caring, someone's grandmother, simple and elegant, calm and quiet. Excellent, she is looking like this. Now by these words we can write a paragraph. See, I will read the paragraph, you also read after me. This is the photo of young boy with his grandmother. Photo of young boy with his grandmother. She must be around 60 to 65 years old. She must be around 60 to 65 years old. She seems happy with her grandson. She seems happy with her grandson. Her hair is cut short. It is completely grey, neat and tidy. She is wearing a beautiful sari. The jewelry that she is wearing is simple and elegant. She is wearing a pearl necklace in the photograph. Yes, children. She looks like a calm and quiet person. It looks like she loves her grandson a lot. The grandmother is sitting with her grandson. He may be telling her about his day. Both the people in the photograph seem to be enjoying each other's company. What they are thinking here? They are enjoying each other's company. By seeing the photograph, you can write your own points also. But how the boy and the in this photo, young boy with his grandmother, they are there. She must around 60 to 65 years old. She seems happy with her grandson. Her hair is cut short. It is completely grey, neat and tidy. She is wearing a beautiful sari. Like that you can explain it. Okay, children, you can write your own also. Okay, read once or twice. Then you can understand these points. By when you will understand this, then only you can write your own. Okay, children. And now coming to the module 2. Yes, children. What is module 2 creative writing? Diary entry. Yes, children. Diary entry very easy. In the previous class also we have learnt. Yes, children. What is diary entry? When we are writing our feelings in one book. Yes, children. And what is happened in our life we are writing now? That is called as a diary entry. See here, children. What is there here? Write a diary entry about a play that you attended. The play was about spreading awareness on the importance of education. Use the hints given below to help you write the diary entry. By seeing the hints, you can write your diary entry. Write what the play was about. Describe the events of the play. Write about how it affected you and what you thought about it. Remember to follow the format of diary entry. What is the format of diary entry, children? First, you should mention the day and date at the top. How you will write? First, you should mention the day and date at the top side. Okay. After that, start with dear diary. Start with dear diary. After that, write in the first person I. Because we are writing about ourselves now, so we should write about I. Write in the past tense. Past tense means what? Which is happened. Yes, children. Now past, present, future will be there, no? Like that. Here we should write the diary as a past tense form. Past tense means what? Which is happened only we will write in the diary. Use conversations or informal language. Means normal language you can use. Sign off with the name of the person. Means our name. We should end the diary. Okay, children. Now here, what we have to write? We should write about a play we have attended. Okay. I have given you already one, no? I will read that. You also read after me. Okay, once only I will read. You can read yours. Also, already we have done this. Okay. Now write date first. After that, dear diary. Today was the a small. Today was the annual day at my school. The class 12 students presented a play on the importance of education in our lives. The play was about a man received a letter which he could not read as he was illiterate. The man did not know what to do. When the postman came the next day, the man asked him to read the letter. The postman told him that his sister, who was in the city, had given birth to a baby girl and wanted some money urgently. The farmer felt bad that he could not help his sister immediately. He realized that he could have helped her sooner if he knew how to read and write. So he decided to learn how to read and write. It was an inspiring play which reminded us why education is important. Yes, children, you can write your this point. Any other story also you can write because your education is important. Is there no? According to that only you write it out. Not only the former story you have to write. Any other story also you can write. Okay, children. I hope everyone have understood this. Yes, here we are going to write how important is education. How important is education. Understood, children? This is about your creative writing of module 1 and 2. Okay, children. Now what we have completed in our module workbook part? Grammar, vocabulary, grammar, and what it is? Formal writing and creative writing. Everyone practice and write your exams properly. Now we are going to see the textbook part. Yes, children? We are going to see the textbook part. Everyone open your textbooks. Now textbook. Yes. Exercise 2 question answers. See here. Lesson number 1. Exercise 2 question answers. See, we will see. Where and when was Mazdoor born? Mazdoor born in Ballabpur, West Bengal in 1968. Where and when was Mazdoor born? Mazdoor born in Ballabpur, West Bengal in 1968. When did Mazdoor learn swimming? Mazdoor learned swimming in the ponds in his village after he lost his legs in an accident. Mazdoor learned swimming in the ponds in his village after he lost his legs in an accident. And see the question. What was the first national event Mazdoor attended? What were the results? In 1989, Mazdoor participated in the national swimming competition organized by the Artificial Limb Center of Pune. He won the first position in 16 out of 17 swimming races. What it is, children? 16 out of 17 swimming races he won the first position. Right, children? In 1989, Mazdoor participated in the national swimming competition organized by the Artificial Limb Center of Pune. He won the first position in 16 out of 17 swimming races. Fourth question. What did Sachin Tendulkar say about Mazdoor? Sachin Tendulkar said that people like Mazdoor are the real heroes. He also said that Mazdoor is an inspiration to everyone. What did Sachin Tendulkar say about Mazdoor? Sachin Tendulkar said that people like Mazdoor are the real heroes. He also said that Mazdoor is an inspiration to everyone. Okay, children? Now, see exercise 2 I have made you to read and write now. See, now what is exercise 4? People have different qualities. Some qualities that we can have courage, focus, sincerity, kindness, helpfulness, determination, and the like. According to you, which quality did Mazdoor have? Support your answer by giving examples from the passage. You should write your own answer, children. You read whatever I gave, you read. But you want to write own means you can write your own. Okay, children? And second question. What do you Find inspiring about Mazdoor life. Describe. You should describe. What do you find inspiring about Mazdoor life? Understood, children? These two questions, prepare yourself and write your own. Okay, children? And now coming to lesson number 2, exercise 2, question answers. Okay, children, take out your books and read. I'm reading. No, after me you can read. I'm reading very slowly only. Yes? See. What are Lexi's eyes bright with wonder at? Lexi's eyes are bright with wonder at nature's creation. Why? Lexi's eyes are bright with wonder at nature's creations. How does Lexi greet the purple flowers? Lexi greets the purple flowers curiously and lovingly. Lexi greets the purple flowers curiously and lovingly. How does Lexi live each day? Every day is a new day for Lexi. She lives each day afresh and wonderfully. Every day is a new day for Lexi. She lives each day afresh and wonderfully. How do the poet describe Lexi? The poet described Lexi as a curious dog who is full of wonder about her surroundings. Her paws patter delicately and her bark is soft. She greets each day as a new day to be lived. See, children, these 4 question answers I have read. You also read after me. I said no. I hope everyone is reading after me. Okay. Now coming to the exercise 4 question answers. Exercise 4. Very easy, children. You can write your own answers for this. Yes, children? Write about one positive thing that we can learn from Lexi. Do you think it is good to have a pet? Give reasons for your answer. Understood, children? These 2 question answers you learn yourself. Okay, you know you are in 5th class. You can write and read yourself. Yes, children. Now we have completed our lesson number 1, exercise 2, lesson number 2, exercise 2, question answers. Now, and we will have the passage also, no? Yes, children? Yes, the passage also will be there. Okay, see, read the passages which is there after the lesson number 3. Okay, every time we are, whenever we are telling the lesson, we are making you to read the lesson and I am telling you to write the LUD questions, no? Same. See here, read the page number 16, 17 and 18 also. See here, we are having the paragraph now. Read the paragraph and answer the questions. Okay, children? Understood everyone? See here. Once again, I am telling you what your revision, we have completed our revision full. What you have to learn for exams. You know already, yes? And once again, I am telling you the portion. See here. Textbook part, lesson number 1, 2. Full you should read. Okay, children? And workbook part, module 1 and 2. Okay, children? Listen carefully. And here, you will have the passage also, yes? Reading comprehension. Read the passage 1 and 2. What it is? Passage 1 and 2. Understood, children? You can get the passage from these passages or you can get the from the lesson passages also. Okay, children? But you should read the passage and write. When you will practice this, then you can write any passage. Okay, children? By reading and understanding, you will take 10 minutes only. Yes, everyone can write the passages. Read the passage and write the answers. Okay, children. So here, what we are having, let's textbook lesson number 1 to full, workbook module 1 to full. Yes, children. Total you should read. I hope everyone will write your exams very nicely. Very good you will write. Okay, children. I hope everyone are practicing. Now, what your work is exercise 2 question answers and exercise 4 question answers in your homework book. Practice it. Okay, children. I hope everyone will be preparing for your exams very nicely. Okay, concentrate on your studies. Only 3 days we will have the exam, no? Then after finishing we will have the holidays. Okay, children. So prepare for your exams. Okay, children. All the best for your exams.